Alright, this is a quick video on 2008 RDX first gen. So I had this issue with coolant just all over this manifold, and it was really hard to see where the leak was coming from because this is all covered up. There's a turbo here, and then the engine head is right here. So while I was taking off the turbo for other services, I decided to replace and fix that leak. Well, some of the forums said that it might just be a hose clamp that needs to be tightened. Well, I did that and it still kept leaking. So then I found this other tube, and this was actually my issue. So there's a O-ring that actually sits inside of this hole, and I think just age kind of just finally cracked it or something. Well, developed a leak which actually let the coolant flow all the way down here. So anyways, I have the part number, and this is the O-ring that you have to replace. And yeah, so it's as easy as just taking anything out of this way. Obviously it's easier when it's out of the car, but really you have to get to this point where you can take this 10 millimeter off, and then you're able to take this tube off. And I actually have a spare here, but this is what it looks like when you take it off. There's the O-ring right there. Focus. Alright, that's it. Just replace it and make sure everything's clean, and just install in reverse order.